Hey, Jonathan Rowland here. I'm the CEO of MyChurch.Events, bringing you the latest on things you can see and do with our frequently updated events guide. Let's go.
Get ready.
This Saturday, 9 until 4 p.m. at the Crown Plaza Hotel, Royal Victoria Dock, Core to the Marketplace, the third instalment of workshops takes place. This event is by Bishop Wayne Malcolm and is designed to equip believers for leading roles in the marketplace. Come along and seek to explore the idea of economic redemption and to establish a biblical basis for creating generational wealth. This event resolves any internal conflict that you may be experiencing in the arena of personal finances while delivering strategies for economic process. My Church Events for full details. The Mental Health Day event takes place this Saturday from 12 p.m. at the Mottingham Hall in Enfield. This is a day dedicated to talking about issues surrounding mental health, especially within the black community. The day will involve a select group of volunteers who will share their struggles with mental health and how they overcame these issues. There will also be a roundtable discussion in which groups will be educated on issues surrounding mental health. There will also be opportunity for individuals to speak and ask questions. MyChurch.Events for full details. Hashtag Scripture. Your sophisticatedly ratchet word delivery system is throwing a summer party to celebrate the success of their podcast this Sunday 7 p.m. at the Theatre Deli in London. What to expect at this party? The most lit Christian music, hip-hop, grime, bashment, soca, afrobeats, plus all your favourite classic gospel hits. Brought to you by the UK's top Christian DJs, DJ Khaleesi and DJ Tomiwa, and lots more. MyChurch.Events for full details. Need some free family fun activities to do over the summer holiday? Well, look no further than Creation Fest, which is a free Christian music festival with 75 bands, hundreds of faith talks throughout the event, and it's all held at the Royal Cornwall Event Centre in Wadebridge from this Saturday until the 10th of August. This fest includes massive undercover skate park, which is the largest free skate park in the southwest of England. Don't forget, admission is free. Simply turn up and enjoy, or hit MyChurch.Events for full details including camping. Oh man, I just can't fit any more in. So check out MyChurch.Events for a full listing. From coffee mornings, concerts, seminars to theatre shows, hashtag MyChurch Events to be in a know. Jonathan Rowland, MyChurch.Events signing out.